All right, we can start.
Yeah, so y'all can, so what did y'all do today?
We can summarize in language acquisitions, no? From the beginning.
Yeah, so should we on our cameras? I think it's better to on the camera.
I mean outside.
Or let's just switch
Actually,
off the
I
camera for
cannot
today.
do that. Yeah, this time, forgive me, I cannot do that because of my battery.
Yeah,
So,
same here.
Otherwise,
So
I
let's
really
just
like to show my
yeah,
face to you
same.
guys.
Let's just do it like this, today, and let's switch on the cameras next time.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so what did you all do today, and what
We start with language acquisition or nature of English.
Let's start
Um,
with the first nature, right?
first one.
That's what we
Yeah,
done.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
then
Yeah.
nature of English, the first half an hour I wasn't there, so if someone could start, then I would help too.
Yes.
I remember the local errors and the global errors in a language. That's very interesting.
What was that?
Yes. Sam sir already attached document, no?
Yes,
CPR. Yeah. So very first we discussed errors, local, right, and local
Yes,
errors
local
and
the global errors. The local errors mean global mean the international, right? The native speakers.
yes.
Oh,
And after that we discuss speech errors and written errors. I think these all we can understand very. If any doubt about those,
Yes, I
intonation,
think today lessons was very clear.
Yes, even I felt so. The lesson is quite clear.
Luckily.
If you could just go through the, I mean, if we could go to the PowerPoint, his wordings are in such a way where it's very clear. So
Yes,
probably
yes.
there,
And let's go to the acquisition there.
maybe acquisition, yeah.
if someone can you please tell me the meaning of pragmatic, right?
Pragmatics.
Pragmatics. Yes. What is that? Pragmatic.
Even I used to, I'm not very sure about this word pragmatics. Even I kind of have a little bit of doubts on the pragmatics. As far as I understand, it's like, huh?
Yeah, practice of I googled it,
Okay.
and it says like practice of English, something like that.
It's
like,
like, it's probably like how words are used, I think.
yeah, yes, maybe.
Thank you.
That is what I understood, but I don't know the deeper meaning or the proper meaning of it. So even I'm a little confused with pragmatics. Probably we should ask ma'am to give a proper explanation on elaborate more on pragmatics so we could get the perfect idea. Because every time we do classes, this word is being
It was
repeated.
in nature of English, right? Not the acquisition part, right?
Pragmatics. No, it comes and I've seen both of them using them.
Yeah.
It's better we get to know the meaning deep properly because it's being mentioned a lot of times in classes, but I'm sometimes almost clueless.
I just know the semantic and pragmatic. That means rules of grammar.
Hmm.
That's only I know. The pragmatic. Then now that pragmatic means practicing grammar, then after try success are meaningful. Actually, I don't know about this pragmatic.
Google says pragmatics is the study of meaning in language in a particular context. So it's a study of the meaning in language. And it also says pragmatics is the study of how words are used. I used to think the pragmatics is how words are used, but here it says it's a study of how words are used. That's pragmatics.
That means using structure.
Probably. It also says an example of pragmatics is the study of how people react to different symbols.
I think
But anyway, that's the Google definition,
Google
right?
idea, Google
So,
definition,
yeah,
yes.
I think if we really ask from sir or maybe like
Yeah.
from madam,
And get the
we might
proper
get
idea.
the exact, yes.
Yeah,
So
we can get a
one
better
of us should
understanding.
ask that, right?
Yes, definitely.
okay, today we have discussed today starting from parentage, no?
Parentheses. Yeah, we did
Parents
parent
and
Yes.
bilingualism.
bilingualism.
Baby
Yeah.
talk.
And sorry to disturb, like for the nature of English, now did sir give us a link for us to upload that group, the whatever that he did? Did he
Yeah.
give us a link for that? I mean, like, is
He
it on?
Yes, it's in LMS
Okay.
under
in
nature
LMS?
of language. Yes.
The nature of language. Okay, I'll see whether it's there. All right, thanks.
Netumi, can we
Yes.
see all documents when we
You mean the PowerPoint
we-
presentation?
not here?
No.
We
can't see
uploaded
others
document.
ones. No, we can't see others ones. Only we can upload.
Okay.
Like
okay.
we did when we did that diagnostic test.
Just only
We
can
can't
upload.
see others documents. Yes.
Okay.
So how can we find our groups? Like I wasn't present at the I wasn't present at the lectures. How am I supposed to find out which group I'm in?
I guess that thing for that moment because
Randomly.
yes.
So that would be a
Thursday we
problem,
was
right?
in
If,
proper group.
okay, so then that means it won't be a problem if I'm not in a group, right? Because I wasn't, present at lectures.
Yeah, I don't
No, I
think
think
it
there
will
is
be a problem.
no problem. Yes,
Yeah.
because he said he's not going to give any marks, just to practice.
Yes, of course.
It's just a
Oh,
practice.
For
okay, I
today's
thought that
session,
he's gonna give marks. Oh, okay, that's fine.
and I have seen that message regarding the online Christmas party.
Oh yeah, me
Yeah.
We
too.
have to organize one.
I think Krish is supposed to organize it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, since all of us are here, and this is like more like a private discussion with all of us, just want to grab your attention to one of the things that I've noticed. So it's like this, right? I'm also a teacher and I have experienced the same. Now, what I felt is like there are instances where the teacher, maybe the sir, or maybe like still for all, we only work with these two, right? So whenever they want to confirm us something, like, when they explain us, they want to know whether we got it or whether whether they want to explain it again or not. So sometimes they just ask, all right, so did you get it? And I have noticed all of us keep very silent and none of us reply and none of us even tell a word. And they keep on asking, you got it? And they just wait. And again, they're okay, you got it. And we all keep very silent, and true enough, right? We feel very awkward to switch on the mic and say, right, okay, because we never know, there might be another person who haven't. So that is the reason. But I don't know, we should discuss and come to a conclusion, right? Either we should keep the camera on so that they can see us, right? It's more like they feel that they are talking to themselves. So none of us are there, but we should understand if we were there physically, then of course they can see us and they feel very comfortable of teaching, and they see us, right? And I mean, like, most of us are teachers. If you all are teaching through online, you all would have experienced the same, because it feels very, like, feel that, am I like talking to myself, like some kind of feeling that they would get. So I just want to ask y'all, like, what I mean, like, y'all can come up with an idea. Either we can like switch on the cameras if all of us are comfortable. At least I know that not all of us. Whoever who is possible. I mean, like, whoever who is feeling comfortable, at least we can switch on the camera. I think it would be more interactive, because I have felt that teachers, I mean, like, the lecturers, they keep on asking, like, you got it, and no one is replying. You got it, and no one is replying. So what do y'all think? Like, your ideas
Yes,
and your
Roshini, what you said really makes sense. It's really good. Like, if we could also respond, it's actually really. But I doubt
not just
we
their
could switch
lecturers,
on the
right? Their
videos.
teachers.
Definitely, yes. But I
Because at
doubt
the end
we
of the
could
day,
switch on
even
our videos.
I also like, I mean, like, it's true enough. We all are at home, and we are with our normal
No.
t-shirts, and
I'm not
whatever
talking.
we are wearing.
No. I'm not talking about us switching it on if we want or not. That's not the case. I'm saying I don't know if we are allowed in the LMS during the lectures
They
to
have
switch
mentioned
on the
Said
video.
once
we have
or
to switch
twice.
off our cameras. In
Yeah, it's
LMS, they have
automatic.
mentioned.
Yeah, they have switched it off. They've switched it off. Then we are
Yeah.
all on mute when we join itself. So we have to only unmute when we want to talk.
Yes.
So I think
right,
that
okay.
is,
So that means,
yeah.
like, we
So
cannot switch on the cameras. All
yes,
right.
probably. And the other thing is during the lectures, because they share the screen, probably when we switch on our cameras, our pictures will be all over, which could also be distractive sometimes. I don't know, but we don't know how that looks like. No, if it's something like Zoom, probably we could hide the participants, but there we don't know. So far lecturers also have not asked us to switch on the cameras. So we have not so far, but definitely, regarding, us answering
Yeah,
to whatever
regarding
they
that,
ask,
because
definitely we have to look into.
because I felt that it's like quiet, I don't know, I feel bad, like, and that's why sometimes I just, I mean, like, I unmute and say, okay, right, we got it, and I try to answer the questions, because no matter, like, we keep on putting our answers to the chat box, they will not see, like, even if we talk to them only, they will feel that we are listening to them.
Yeah, true enough.
That's my concern only. So y'all can think about.
That's actually something really good that you brought it up. We should all really look into it. We are grown-up adults. We also are facing the same thing during our tuition classes. So we really have to look into something like that. That's really, a good thing that you brought it up. Yeah. So anything else? What about the Christmas party discussion started and it went somewhere else?
So yes, what Miss Erandi expect us to do?
I have no idea. There was just a message on the group, right?
Whom she mentioned about the Christmas party? Like, I saw Anne only drop the message. So did Anne?
No, yes. It was put on the TESOL group first by Miss Erandi. We are all, let us organize an online Christmas party. We usually have such a program annually with other TESOL batches too. The batch rep can update me the organization details. Good luck. That's all we have.
I never had an online Christmas party.
Oh, I joined Michelle's online Christmas party. It was quite fun. Michelle here. Oh, that was quite fun. Okay, with kids. Michelle's online Christmas party. That was really fun.
Shared it with the group. I wonder if anyone watched it.
Oh, really? I didn't notice it. Michelle, maybe you could give us some ideas.
Exactly.
Yeah,
yes.
It's on the group. It's on the group. I shared it. I do not know whether anyone had the time to have a look because they were so much into other things.
Yeah, I think I missed it. So
I missed it. I totally missed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite nice. Actually, I just joined for a few minutes during her Christmas party. It was organized well and it was quite fun. So maybe we could get some tips from Michelle.
Yeah, but if it is on 25th, I'm not able to join because it is real Christmas for me. So
yeah, even for me, it's a little tough because it's like the holiday time, right? We are also planning on trips and something like that. So on 25th, did she say something like it has to be on 25th?
No, there's nothing, nothing like, no information. She just say, okay, organize.
Yeah, so that means like we can have on a day where we feel comfortable,
We
right?
all are quite comfortable. Yes, definitely.
Let's do like.
How about like 26th? What do y'all think? Like anyway, we don't
That's
have
the day
classes on
right
that
after
day.
Christmas, no? Either we'll have
No.
it before Christmas or a few days
Yeah.
after Christmas.
Maybe after Christmas would be fine, right?
Yeah, either way. But there should be a small gap before and after, because right after Christmas it's also going to be quite tiring for the ones celebrating Christmas. And right before it also is not really, because you have to prepare for Christmas. I'm not going to prepare, but still I'm just thinking in your point of view, the ones who prepare for Christmas. So yeah.
So what others think? Like what's the date that we should fix?
Maybe we could put up a post on the group and
Yeah,
ask
true.
for everyone's suggestions. Yeah, I have this thing. Why don't we create something like a Google form whenever we want to ask, ideas from the others, right? Regarding the times they want to join the meeting, and the meeting, even regarding today's class, today's this session. Why don't we, give them a Google form and ask everyone to complete that? Because on WhatsApp, everyone puts something, some totally, don't even care about the message, to be honest. Sometimes even I'm like, that is too much of messages. I have no time to read sometimes. So I just leave and go, and then I come back after, say, about 1 day, 1 hour, or maybe after 1 day, and then I go through all the messages. So that is what even I do sometimes, because all of us, have other works as well, right? So probably we might miss certain things like that. So why not we give something like a Google form? So also we'll be able to save the information regarding, is this person okay, will this person do whatever it is. I don't know what discussion it's about, but regarding any discussion, we all have to discuss together. If there is something like that submitted, we could have, or the ones who, the ones who are responsible, or the leaders, they could have track of all the details. That way it's quite easy for them also. Now, for example, if you see regarding today's 2 p.m. meeting, some said they might not be able to join, right? But do you know who were the ones who said they can't join? Can you be swiping up all through all messages now? Not really easy, no?
Yeah.
So if something like that was made, a form, if you submit it through the form, maybe we could also help. Definitely, you don't have to put all the trouble into the leaders. Maybe we could also help, and then make that into a sheet. Like if you could make it up in Excel, the details, we could upload that as a picture in the group. So that will be saved, so we will know all the details regarding everyone who said okay, who said no, and then according to the majority, we could also plan. So that is also something really nice. Now regarding this Christmas event also, okay, now this is it's a small thing, so we can just discuss on WhatsApp group. But I'm saying, when it comes to something bigger, to save information, we could do something like, provide, make a Google form and send it. And Google forms are quite easy to submit and answer, right? So maybe something like that could be done. I'm shivering. Don't mind me. I just noticed I'm shivering.
So who would be making the Google form, right?
Anyone can make it. It's not a deal to make. Maybe if you want me to make it also, I would make it. There's no problem. Anyone could make the form, but I'm just giving this idea in future when we have something to do.
Of course, it's a good idea. That is true. That is very
We could
true.
have
Because
track
sometimes
of
I also
everything.
find it very difficult. When I want to like comment, the whole conversation has ended. And I don't want to be that awkward person who send a message in middle of after the conversation. So that is very true.
True. No, serious. That's actually true. All of us. The thing is, not everyone is active, to be honest, in the group. There are many people very silent. Sometimes even I am silent, because like I told you, I see it after a day or two, the messages. So likewise, everyone's quite silent. So when there's messages, it's very difficult to track the messages, go back and see the message. Quite difficult. Like say, for example, Michelle's, the Christmas party was completely, I didn't see it at all. So I can't, I can't remember also, because it's just a message, but when it's like an image or a file that is shared, it will be saved. If you just go to the gallery, it's saved there. A file, it's saved there. It's quite easy to track rather than tracking messages. So it's just an idea for the future, whatever we have to do. Why is this so awkward? Okay, guys, so aren't we going to discuss regarding lessons today? Ah, by the way, I sent a message on the chats. Just go check everyone, a screenshot on what I got regarding semantics and pragmatics. It was just a Google one, but still I thought it would be useful. So I just shared it on that in this chat box. Just check it out.
Yusra, you sent it to the Zoom chat box.
No, yeah, the Zoom chat box. Maybe I could put it in the group as well later.
Yeah, better to put it to the group. I just can't.
It's
find
just a Google form. It's fine, right? I mean, it's just a Google picture.
it. Okay, that's all right.
Current land.
Right, Yusra, we got it. It's there.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right, so what are we going to discuss now? Because this is my first time that I'm joining. So are we like going to discuss about anything?
Yeah,
No,
because this is
whatever,
my first time.
What I understood by this screenshot is pragmatics is always connected with the context. While semantics and pragmatics deal with the meaning, pragmatics, in addition, pragmatics is always connected with the context. That is what I understood.
Yeah, that does make sense actually. Yeah, I've got a better understanding on pragmatics now. If you could just bring up an example, I'm thinking, but nothing's coming into my head. Oh, here you go. Okay, when you say, will you crack open the door? It's a Google example, but still, will you crack open the door? It doesn't mean you are going to crack the door open, right? It means, would you open the door? So that's pragmatics. That's what the example says.
That is a good example, I think.
Yeah, it gives a meaning according to the context.
Context, yes.
Yes. Addressing problems logically and practically is an example of pragmatism. Like when they say, will you crack open the door? Practically, you can't crack open the door. So probably it's mean to either open the door fast or can you, yeah, something, that's what it means, right? So that could be, yeah. Yeah, makes sense. Now pragmatics is quite clear today for me.